Okay, so I am in Google Docs. I'm going to pretend this is my essay. A lot of students have trouble with uploading things to Blackboard or an LMS, a learning management system. It doesn't necessarily have to be Blackboard, but so to export a Google Doc so that you can upload it to an assignment, you have to hit File just like you're going to save from anywhere else. And sometimes this will only give you the PDF option, and most LMSs, most learning management systems will accept that. So I'm going to save it. You can save this. I've got the full everything, so I can save it in all kinds of stuff. So I'm going to save it as a PDF. It went to my upload, my download area. Sometimes you can save it anywhere you want to on your computer, right? You'll file, you'll download it. So you're probably going to have to upload it from your download folder if you've not got it set up for any other way. And I'm going to show you how to attach that document. So hold on. Okay, so I've got this in student view, so I should be able to show you what's going on and how to attach that document that I just put in my downloads folder. Let me go find an essay. Let's do. Um, so as a student, you would probably have modules set up and stuff. So I'm going to go into the personal narrative because I know that there's something that I can upload there. It's got all the information here. Yours may look different than this one. I'm going to view instructions in this case and then scroll all the way to the bottom. And it's going to allow me to submit. So if you've got a Google Doc that you downloaded, you just have to hit the paperclip attachment here. And we will go to downloads. And it should, I guess I was already in downloads. So you should be able to attach your document here and then open. And you're going to see that it's going to say, you don't have to do anything to that. Just upload it as is. And then let me move my screen down a little bit so you can see. Okay, so you can kind of see down here, there's a submit button. So when I submit this, I'm going to go ahead and submit, and then I want to show you how to, and this, it doesn't matter. It'll come up like this. It'll say your submission was successful. So I'm going to open it and just show you this is the receipt information. Okay. So that proves that you got it. And then the way to go in and see if it's uploaded in the correct way, you go into one submitted, and it's going to show you a picture. So you can see that this is my document. It's actually uploaded. I can download it from here, and that shows you how to upload something from having a Google Doc if your instructor says attach it. I hope this was helpful. Thank you, and have a good day.